What's up you guys, my name is Aprajita.
Missing someone
So for today's video, as you guys have must read the title, it's a haul video. It's my very first haul, my YouTube haul, and I'm super excited to do it. I feel like such a YouTuber doing this. Personally, I love watching haul videos. It is just so entertaining to watch people wasting their money somehow. I don't know why, but yeah, so I have categorized this video into 3 or 4 parts. So I have been shopping on I have shopped from Shein, then Myntra, Nykaa, and Flipkart. Yes, so these I think 4 categories. So I'll be telling you website wise. I'll not be going category wise because it seems a little confusing for me, and I think for the viewers as well. Let's take any more time. Let's start. This is the Shein dress which I bought. Actually, I bought this for my birthday. I
don't know मैंने क्यों ये पागलों की तरह इतने सारे कपड़े खरीद लिए because actually I have nowhere to go now. So
it has a very cute tortoise shell belt detailing. I think it's called a O-ring, but it's not a O shape, and it has very cute puff sleeves. It also has this elasticized thing, and it's not supposed to be on your below your bust. The problem is कि a little bit of bra is shown beneath it, so I can wear a similar color bra, or I'm not a fan of wearing spaghettis inside my t-shirts or my tops. I just hate them. I don't like them at all. It's just not my thing. So so this is the dress, and I really like it. I can't wait to wear this out. But guys,
don't go out, stay at home, stay safe, don't make stupid decisions, and save others also. So
yes, so the second item is another pink top because I am obsessed with the color pink. This is another top which I got. I think it's a little loose for me from this side, but ठीक है, like it's like a casual wear top, and it was for I think $670. Oh guys, I'm so sorry, I'm not used to doing this. I have made an effort, and I have written all the prices here, so I'll be telling you the prices also. It also has a very nice sleeve detailing. I think it's called a poof sleeve, and has a square neck, looks like. So by the way,
जो मैं कर रही हूँ ना, ये मुझे सब फाइट करनी पड़ेगी. So yeah, yeah.
This is another pant which I got. I think it's actually really cute. It fits beautifully, and it is very high-waisted. I think if you don't have a high-waisted pant or a high-waisted denim, you should definitely invest. The belt also came along with it. I'll also put a shot of me trying it on, so you'll get an idea of what it actually looks like. So this is the belt. I think it's so cute. Like, I got this pant for 30-50 rupees, and it's totally worth it. The next purchase is this top. Satin is not exactly a very summery fabric actually, but I think it looks super glamorous. Right पे उनकी website पे दिखा था Shein की. It was a more beigeish, nudish color. Beigeish color actually. This is also nude color, but it was a more beigeish color. I don't know camera में कैसा color आ रहा होगा, but it's a more it is more on the pinker side, on the pinker tone. So I really liked it. Actually, I genuinely really liked this one, and it fits me also really nicely. The neck falls in a drape form. Yes, so this is from the accessories section. So this bag also I got from Shein. I did not have a white bag. This has this gold detailing to it, and it is a zipper. It has a zip, kind of spacious as well. It will hold my phone and the normal things, cash, card, and जो भी basics होते हैं, I think. So yeah, it's a pretty good.
So moving to अरे नहीं यार, अभी और कपड़े को कितनी शॉपिंग करी है.
Yeah, so this is another top which I got from Shein. This is again a lavender color, very pretty. From the neck, but ठीक है, चल जाएगा. I mean I get a little bit uncomfortable when the tops are deeper, but okay, it's good. And then it has this zip detailing at the back, and the O-ring wala hai. It's pretty cool to see that they have this bow tie, so you can hide this Nada thing from showing. Then I also got a pair of heels from Shein. I think this is called a transparent strap heel. It also has a transparent heel to it, and it's actually quite cute. Like, and it's pretty comfortable. मतलब I didn't expect it to be comfortable, but ये comfortable है. And it has this इसमें ये padding भी हुई है, तो it is actually pretty nice. And I know I'm late in the game. ये transparent heels बहुत पुराना trend है, but I thought why not just give it a shot. And I love this. इसका जो front side है, it has this square thing. Start with the Myntra haul. So from Myntra so Shein का ही major haul था, and now I have like 2-3 items from the other sides. So from Myntra, what I got is these pair of pajama shorts. So this stripe detailing, and it also has this Nada, this Nada, which is pretty fancy and clear, but it's so cute. And I don't own a lot of shorts. It doesn't suit me, and I don't know, shorts are not comfortable for me. It somehow doesn't work for me. In fact, I love skirts better than shorts. So I thought of wearing these थोड़ा बाहर, जब भी मैं कर पाऊँगी वो possible होगा लाइफ में. But these are pretty cute. And next are a much needed utility item are the masks which I got from Myntra. Masks which I got mask which wear mask. I wanted to invest in one set of masks so that I can deal. I think I got all of these 7 for 399 rupees. And the best part about it is that these are cotton, so even if you are wearing them, इनके पहन के इतनी गर्मी नहीं लगती. Also these are reusable. Next thing which I got from Flipkart is these 2 pajama shorts. So these I got a brand called Kotli, and items on the description box below. So these are very cute actually, and I am a big Potterhead. I love Harry Potter. So इस पे ये सब Gryffindor, Slytherin and all of that is written. So it's pretty cute. And ये एक set of 2 में आया था actually, and this is another olive green pajama short under 500 bucks. So it was a pretty decent deal. And ये मैंने Flipkart से ही लिया था. So मैं इसको ट्रायल नहीं करूँगी. I'll insert few pictures here. जो fits me so beautifully. I just love this dress. And to try it out. Yes. So I want. सबसे पहले मैं वही दिखा दूँगी. So this is the Nykaa Skin Potion. Up my skincare routine. So this is the Nykaa oil which I got. It has a super cute bottle. So I was searching for a few serums or face oil, so those were pretty expensive. It's used to it. You cannot just like switch back to any random cream. It doesn't do good to your skin. So basically मैंने ये वाला ये खरीदा, and I put it every night. I'm using this for a past week now, and it's pretty good. Like it does its job, and options which they have in the same range. And also this product is for a combination skin, so I do have a combination skin. I'm just skeptical about using a face because मुझे लगा इसे तेल लगने लगेगा, and I just don't like that weird chip vibe. But does not at all will make your skin oily. Thing which I got are this basic essential which I regularly use. This is this Lash Sensational Maybelline mascara. I have been using this for the past 2 years. I think I discovered this when I was living in a hostel, and it is a brilliant mascara. Me about 408 rupees, which is pretty good for a mascara, and it does the job. It just elongates your lashes, and it does make it look a little bit more denser. So I love this Maybelline lipstick. It is in the shade Divine Wine, and it's a really nice lipstick. So it costed me around 269 rupees. I think it was around 350 or something of that sort, but उसमें भी मेरे को discount मिला. I'm wearing right now, so I genuinely like this lipstick. And yeah, if you are looking for cheaper options in a good lipstick which will stay longer, I think you should go for this one. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I am actually a little bit nervous about making this video, but I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. And please like this video, comment down below, and also press the bell icon. I feel so weird, but you'll be notified whenever I make a new video and you'll want me to make in the future. And I'll see you all super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.